Hello everyone, it's Ramya here. I welcome you all to my another video. In this video, let's see about what is a stock market and why do companies come for IPO. Now let's see what is a stock market. Stock market is a place where we buy and sell shares of public listed company. It is a place where the individual investors and the institutions come together to buy and sell their shares. Nowadays, stock market exists in electronic form and we can access it via our computers and mobile phones. There are two main stock exchanges in India which makes the stock market, and they are the National Stock Exchange NSE and Bombay Stock Exchange BSE. We cannot directly buy or sell the shares of a company from stock exchange. We have to do it through a broker. So first we have to register ourselves with a stockbroker, and then we place our orders to buy or orders to sell with that broker, and the broker routes it to stock exchange, and the stock exchange in turn sees that the order for selling and the order for buying are matched and the trades are executed by them. The main purpose of stock market is to provide a marketplace for buyer and seller of stocks. It also helps the companies to raise capital to expand their business. It also helps the investors like us to create our personal wealth. We can create our personal wealth in two ways. That is, we can buy the stocks and hold it and receive dividends and earn from it, or we can buy the stock and sell it after the price rises and earn profit from it. And it also helps for increase in the investment in the country, and it is also one of the top economic indicator of country. Let's see why companies come for IPO. Companies need money to run and expand their businesses, so they use stock market as one of the source to raise their capital by offering shares to public, that is through IPO, initial public offering. Actually, by investing in shares of a company, we are actually investing in some business which required money. And when a promoter starts a company, first he funds it through his personal savings, then he gets it from his family and friends, and when the business starts and he starts the business and starts running it, and after that when he needs to expand the business, he needs additional capital for it, and for that additional capital, first he invite the angel investors and then the venture capitalists, and even after that when he needs money, he has to get a loan or a debt. If he gets a loan or a debt, then he have to pay additional charges like interest charges, etc. after a few years. So instead of borrowing that amount as a debt or loan, the promoter tries to raise his capital by selling the shares of his own company to public, and this is called offering to public, that is initial public offering, IPO. IPO is a process by which a private company is offering its share for the public for the first time through stock exchange. IPO market is called primary market, and after that shares are listed in the stock exchange, and stock exchange is called the secondary market. And once the shares are listed in stock exchange, the trading commences. That is, people start buying and selling those shares daily, and the price of that stock fluctuates daily. And generally the companies whose shares are listed in the stock exchange do not buy or sell those shares regularly. So actually we are buying suppose if we are buying a share from the share market, we are not getting it from the company, we are getting it from another existing shareholder. And likewise, when we sell a share, we are not selling back to the company, we are selling to another investor or trader like us. So the main reason for IPO is to raise funds and to avoid debts, and here the promoter is spreading his risk over a large number of people. And IPO also provides an exit for early investor, that is the angel investors and the venture capitalists can sell their stake to the public. And next thing is to get familiarity, that is there is more media coverage on companies which are listed in stock exchange. If you like my content, kindly subscribe my channel.